Turnitin Basic Overview. The college uses Turnitin as a separate submission solution where originality checking is required. Please make sure you use the UK version, otherwise you won't be able to log in. Tutors are created by the admin and students by the tutor lists. Please avoid using the Chrome browser as some functionality will struggle. Once logged in as an instructor, you will see your classes and the ability to create a new class. Very briefly, the class types are Standard and Master. You get to create a new class name. You can create a class key. You need to choose from a subject area and a student level. By default, when you create it, that's a class start date. And then you can include a class end date. Do allow for any late submissions and resets and retakes. I'm going to go into a test area. Here you can see I have the option to create a new assignment. When you create your first assignment in a class, you'll only get the option to create a paper assignment. Once you've created a paper assignment, you'll come up with these options: paper assignment, peer mark assignment, revision assignment, and reflection assignment. For now, I'm just going to look at paper assignment. You need to have an assignment title. You can have an optional points value. You can choose where you want to submit, whether it's something that will be checked or not. A start date, a due date, and the post date, which will return the feedback to the students. At a later date, we can go through the various optional settings. Once you put in these details, you can just click submit, and that sets the assignment for that group of students. To add students to your group, you go into the class, you go up to the Students tab, and you can either add a student separately, you can upload a whole student list, or you can email all your students from this page as well. You can get some of the information for your student list from your class list, and it'll take Word, Excel, or plain text files, and needs to include the first name, the last name, and email address. You can get help from the LRC in creating these lists.